In Myanmar and Thailand, the ground shifted and thousands of lives were swallowed in seconds. March 28th started like any ordinary day, but within moments, it turned into a story of devastation. A massive 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck, with its epicenter near the city of Mandalay in Myanmar. But the shock waves didn't stop there. You are watching Liba's official Let's Begin. Over 600 miles away, in Thailand's capital, Bangkok, the destruction was just as terrifying. Rooftop infinity pools began overflowing violently, water spilling over the edges in a horrifying way, falling from hundreds of feet above. CCTV footage shows water crashing down onto pedestrians in the streets below. At Park Origin Thongler, a 188-meter-tall tower was seen swaying in the sky, and the connecting bridges between buildings collapsed into rubble. Even the iconic King Power Mahanakan Tower, once the tallest building in Bangkok, was seen shaking visibly during the quake. On the outskirts of Bangkok, an under-construction skyscraper collapsed within seconds, with workers still trapped beneath the debris. The tremors were so intense that panic spread instantly. People abandoned their cars in the streets and ran for their lives. Inside buildings, the scenes were just as disturbing. Walls cracked, tiles shattered, plaster fell from ceilings. Fear was everywhere. So far, more than 1,600 lives have been lost, but experts warn that the final number could rise into the thousands. Rescue operations are ongoing, but with infrastructure damaged and systems overwhelmed, efforts are facing serious challenges. Myanmar lies on one of Southeast Asia's most dangerous fault lines, known as the Sagaing Fault. This is an active transform fault, where the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate grind past each other side by side. It's highly active and regularly produces moderate to strong earthquakes. Historically, around 68 earthquakes have been recorded along this fault line in the region. The earliest dates back to the year 1429, but earthquakes as powerful as 7.7 magnitude have only occurred 4 times in history, and now, for the 5th time, on March 28, 2025. This disaster didn't just bring destruction, it also raised serious questions about the safety of modern skyscrapers in rapidly growing urban cities. If you like this video, then leave a comment and don't forget to like and share this video. We'll see you in the next one on Liba's Official.